Today we're going to talk about how you can get to 10K a month with coaching as a content creator in literally less than a week. Now I'm going to give you a full funnel that you can apply literally today, and in 7 days from now you could generally be making an extra 10K a month. Now this is going to be a pretty raw video, not too many edits or anything like that, so if you have a long attention span, good for you. If not, click off. So let's start. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is actually break down 10K a month, 3 pricing structures. The first one is to aim to get to 5 people paying you 2K a month. The second one is 10 people paying you 1K a month, or 20 people paying you 500 a month. Now, the pricing of your coaching offer highly depends on the niche and what you're selling. For example, if you're selling how to make money with trading, you could opt for something more high ticket. If you're selling how to edit onto Premiere Pro, it may be something lower. But if you're selling something like how to make money with Etsy, that is still like how to make money online, you could try to sell an offer like this to low ticket. I'd say something in the middle, but you get the point. All right, you kind of just organize your pricing structure based on the niche. Okay, so you can see right here that it's not that hard. All we need is 5 clients paying you 2K a month if you're in the right niche. For example, if you're in e-com, SMMA, trading, every kind of business model, this is really good. How do you actually get clients? All right, now I'm going to give you a proven funnel, really simple, that you can apply today. All right, and actually start building your actual funnel and try to get prospects in right off today. All right, this is really simple, but keep in mind that you need to like actually learn it and understand what I'm saying, because it's not like too beginner friendly. So the first thing that you got to do is write traffic onto a wait list. Now on the wait list page, what you have to do is just put a form in which you grab their phone number, their IG, their name of course, and their email. So what you do with those, you can actually pump out emails on a software called Go High Level. So keep in mind you have to either get Go High Level or any email campaign software, but Go High Level does a lot more than just that, so I highly advise it if you actually want to be a professional. Then you can text and call the leads to get calls booked in. Now you are going to be the appointment setter here because we want to be fast. You can text and call the leads pretty easily and actually get calls booked in because you are the creator, so they already trust you, blah blah. Okay, so then you are going to basically get calls booked in. All right, so you call them and say like, yo, this is blah blah blah, Mattia, can we actually hop on a call? I'd love to share some things with you. Can I just ask you a few questions to understand like your current situation better? How much do you have? How much do you want to be making? What is stopping you? Blah blah blah. You understand their problems. You actually make them realize that their current situation is shit, where they want to go, and place yourself in the middle. All right, so where they're at, where they want to be, and you're here. All right, so the transformation pretty much. Yeah, and you do that by asking questions that actually arise pain. All right, that actually bring productive pain to the prospects, and not like pain, but you just need to make them realize that their current situation is not good enough. Okay, so then you close the deals. Now, these are the metrics breakdown. If you get around 1K viewers per day, you get at least 500 people listen to the call to action. Now, what I mean by call to action is like in the video, you say something like in the first like 30 seconds, I'm about to launch my coaching program on the 20th of November. Go and sub to the wait list to be noticed, and you do not, so that you do not miss the spot, something like that. All right, then they click on the link. At least 50 people will. 10 people will opt in, and now you have 10 people per day, because this is per day, that are actually interested and are qualified. Okay, so let's just say that you get only 5 though. You only get 5 inside the wait list per day without Instagram, and you do this for like 5 days, because then like you don't have like so much of a big enough of an audience. All right, let's say that you get only 50 people. You get at least 25 calls booked in, because if you're like a decent setter and you're actually a creator that they watch, pretty much they are going to book a call. All right, if like your favorite creator just calls you and tells you, hey, do you want to hop on a call with me, they are going to hop on the call. All right, so then out of those, you're going to close at least 10 people. So 1K to 2K a month, blah blah. This needs to depend, as I've said, on your niche. Okay, do not sell a 2K a month offer for a video editing course. All right, you need, or for like a cooking program. No, you need to actually do high ticket only if you have an audience that like is interested in making money online, in my opinion, or like losing weight, or something that basically like has a lot of pain attached to it. And here you make 10K a month pretty easily. All right, literally in less than 1 week you can do this. Now this all depends on your audience. Okay, so make sure, like I cannot stress this enough, this is literally the most important part. All right, you need to figure out what your audience actually wants, what are their problems, etc. Now also, this is really important. Now this is a really simple funnel, okay, that you can build. It's not like that good, but it's simple. Okay, because if you haven't like never did a funnel before that is like actually serious and like with a lot of backend systems and like automations and all of that kind of stuff, this is good for you, but it will not get you like to 30K a month with like 5K subs. Okay, I'm just telling you. Okay, so pretty much that's it for today's video. If you follow what I said, you could genuinely be making an extra 10K a month literally like 10 days from now. If you actually want us to run your info product and actually scale it, or basically just build everything and get your coaching program up and running with like a proven funnel and everything, hit me up on IG. And yeah, pretty much that's it. Go leave a like, subscribe, do whatever, and I'll see you in the next one.